Assalamu alaikum. So, we eat and mashallah we visit restaurants and at home. I have something very important to say. More important than the type of food, what you're going to eat and so on, is do not waste. Wallahi, I had a brother who was at a restaurant, a 5-star restaurant. He told me the amount of food the wealthy waste when they come into this 5-star restaurant. He says, I'm ashamed. Please, can you talk about it? I said, I've seen it too. And he says, sometimes we don't realize we could have been blessed in so many ways in this world, but we might get caught because of how much we threw away. So don't over order. Order less and order again if need be. But don't over order and throw the food away. They can't do much with it in so many places. So you're going to order so much food and you're going to throw it away. The punishment of throwing the gift of Allah away will be felt in this world as well as the next. So it's a matter of time before actually we start seeing the negatives of what we were doing. A day will come when we won't be able to eat. Perhaps we won't have food. Perhaps something may happen where the gifts of Allah are taken away from us simply because we used to throw away the food that Allah Almighty blessed us with. Order too much or cook too much or simply throw it away. Please don't. It's a serious matter. It's a very serious matter. I hope we take heed. Order less and don't waste.